Many of you have heard me talk about the value system in your school. I believe that is one of the most important parts of Tier 1, having established not just words on the wall like responsibility, respect, whatever they might be, but defining them and defining them in a way where we can actually teach them. So we don't want these long, huge paragraphs, but maybe 3 or 4 bullets of defining what it means to be responsible. So what you'd want to see your kids doing in the end. So like responsibility is anticipating, knowing what's expected of me today and coming prepared so that we can teach that when we give out the assignment. Remember, we are responsible here, and this is what responsibility means. So by doing that, we can actually be embedding that all day long into our teaching practices. But here's the real reason why we do it. It's not so we can have these words on the wall defined for the kids to memorize. It's for us. And I'll tell you why. Because I've gone into the classroom and I go, yes, I've got to make sure I teach these values and embed them in what I do. And then I get all busy and I kind of forget. So if I've got this in the back of my room, these defined values, it reminds me in the moment when I'm teaching, I see that poster and I go, oh, this is a good time to chime in responsibility. This is a good time to chime in integrity. This is a good time to remind about respect on this assignment or whatever character might be in a book or a science project that we're going to say, hey, you're going to be responsible for persevering through this experiment. See, we can actually teach this, but those words on the wall are for us. So put them there so that we become better at it.